Guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to start up the Cessna 172 in X-Plane X-Plane 11. So no, not X-Plane 11, X-Plane 10, but it also does work for X-Plane 11 as well. So as you can see, we're at a random airport that I just did again. And this is the Cessna 172. So first you want to go down here and you want to flip on the master switches, and the avionics should already be on. First you want to put on the fuel pumps, the beacon and strobes and nav lights. Then you want to put the mixture forward so it gets that fuel going into the propeller. Then you want to switch this and then boom, you have your aircraft started, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you guys found this useful, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye. Why can I never click the stop button?